We welcome a young voice with wisdom beyond her years. She's a storyteller, an NLP coach, a counselor, and a published author, committed to shaping emotionally intelligent futures. Please join me in welcoming the inspiring Isha Kirmani.
I am Kairos, a Greek ancient god of opportunity. I'm always walking on my tiptoes because I'm always in a hurry. And if you see, I have wings on my feet as well because I'm quicker than the wind. And if you see more closer, I have a razor in my right hand just to tell people that I'm sharper than the tip of knife. And yeah, I'm bald on my head because if someone misses me, if someone misses to catch me, they're always gonna regret that moment because they can never have me back no matter how bad they want me. This is the entire description of Kairos, which is a mythic god in ancient Greek literature, and it just talks about that right moment, that right opportunity जिसका हर एक को इंतजार होता है और हमें लगता है कि वो एक लम्हा है हमारी जिंदगी का जो अगर हमारे हाथ में आ जाए तो सब कुछ बदल जाएगा और अगर हमारे हाथ से चला जाए तो we have regrets, we have anxieties and we have fears. Now, all of you take quick 10 seconds, because I've just given like 15 minutes, take quick 10 seconds of mine and recall that 5-second short window जब आपको लगता है कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में वो बहुत transformative moment आया होगा. Just quickly imagine that. Maybe there were more than one. Okay, does something click in your head? Okay, I see some people nodding and some people saying no. I don't know, my father is here, Baba. Do you see something in your head? Yeah, okay, you do. So, Kairos is beautiful. It's a really beautiful myth. Very beautiful. But a dangerous myth. So the theme is Kairos. But since I'm NLP, I'm going to talk about how this myth is very dangerous for human psychology. This obsession with waiting for the right moment, the perfect timing, it creates nothing but it blinds us from that continuous flow of opportunities for us. It blinds us from so many things that we have in front of us, but we're always planning something in our head. We're always waiting for that right moment. हमें पता है कि वो एक इंसान हमारे लिए सही नहीं है, but still we wait for that right moment to let that person go. हमें पता है कि हमारे अंदर ये पोटेंशियल है कि हमने एक बिजनेस शुरू करना है जितना भी छोटा हो बी इट अ स्मॉल इंस्टाग्राम पेज बट वी आर ऑलवेज वेटिंग फॉर दैट राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट राइट मोमेंट सेम गोज फॉर आवर टेस्ट सेम गोज फॉर लाइक मे बी समथिंग एज स्मॉल एज यू हिटिंग योर जिम बट वी आर ऑलवेज वेटिंग फॉर समथिंग And do you guys know which part of your body is the most inspired one with this Greek ancient god? Can you guys guess it? It's very easy. It's human brain. Somebody said it from there. So our main, one of the major parts of our body, the main part, our brain, it's very inspired with this Greek god. It kind of helps the myth. So we have this waiting loop mechanism in our head. And it is supported by these delay dopamine tactics. So हम imagine वो right moment और वो right opportunity और अपना future जब imagine करते हैं feels so good that we continue to just imagine it without risking failure. Because again जब action लेना है तो risk आ जाता है. So when you're just planning it in your head, our brain is kind of more happier and it loves that consistency. So it continues to just imagine. Again, just Kairos, but nothing else. Similarly, it promotes the process of planning and it protects us from something which is called perfectionism. So we have this fear कि जब हम कोई चीज़ असल में करेंगे तो वो वैसी नहीं होगी जैसे हमने अपने दिमाग में सोची भी है और वो हार्डली वैसी ही होगी कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता because again you plan something but जब आप मैदान में उतरते हैं तो picture is completely different. So Kairos is basically protecting us from that gap, to face that fear, and that's why we are waiting for that right moment. Now, how do we come out of it? I am an NLP and neuroscience coach, and everything in NLP and neuroscience starts from our own language. The way we talk to ourselves, the way we communicate to ourselves, the way we talk about ourselves. So we have this very, very cute habit of saying, "मुझसे ये नहीं होता, मैं हर चीज़ में delay करती हूँ." I'm a procrastination queen. That's what Gen Z is always talking about. But that is actually deteriorating your human psychology, your own behavior. Because language, it actually affects your mind, your body, everything inside you. So we're just gonna quickly do this exercise here. हर चीज़ में corporate में you see emails starting with when the opportunity presents itself. Well, instead of waiting, mister, I think I'm generating my opportunity with each step. So instead of waiting for that moment to come and transform your lives and shape your lives, how about you create that moment yourself for yourself? Okay, and I also combine it. So ek taraf we did the language shift. Now we're gonna combine it with physiological anchoring. So just simple words ke andar, it's one physical action, that one trigger that helps you to take the action and just not think about it. It can be anything for anyone. For example, अगर मुझे कोई action लेना है किसी moment में, for example, if I have to wake up and I have to get outside the bed and I'm running late, or maybe I have to hit the gym, or maybe I have to go for a meeting, or maybe I have to prepare for a test. I do one physical thing that helps me start moving. It can be anything. For example, for me, I clap 3 times. And that 3 times the clap helps me do the action. Can be anything. So one of my friends, she starts screaming. Like, she would just randomly stand up and scream for like a few seconds, and that helps her. It's not like she's mad or something, but it helps her, and that's what we call physiological anchoring. Now, what actually makes our moments transformative? When I was saying Kairos is dangerous, and I'm kind of talking against it, I did not mean कि ऐसे कोई moments ज़िंदगी में होते ही नहीं हैं जो आपको realize नहीं होते कि they were very transformative, they were your epiphany moments, right? But when do you realize that moment was my moment? उस time पर जो वो हो रहा होता है, do you think उस time पे realization होती है? Never, it never happens. Because when I first started my business and I was 17, it was a very ordinary, very boring afternoon at my home. मुझे उस time पे कोई feel नहीं हुआ कि oh my god, this is going to be my transformative moment. One day after a few years, I will be talking about this in a TED Talk. That was very ordinary, that was very boring, nothing special about that moment. What made it special was that I took an action. I made an Instagram page and I thought about starting my own business. So, जब आपको बाद में जाके भी, when you want to think about your Kairos, don't just feel like कि उस time पे moment बड़ा special होता. बाद में, when in the future you want to look back and see what made it very transformative, it's always your actions. So, I'm gonna end it very quickly. But the thing is that action does not follow opportunity. It's not like आपके पास opportunity आएगी and then you'll take the action, you'll grab it, and you'll start your own career or your path or anything. Instead, action generates your opportunity. So if you're thinking कि हमें मौका नहीं मिला अभी तक, हमारा moment नहीं आया, maybe some of you want to start a business and you're looking for investment opportunity. Maybe an opportunity to convince your parents. Or anything. Action is going to generate it, and it's going to be your action. It's not likely आपको opportunity आके मिल जाएगी. So do not chase Kairos here. Instead, create your own Kairos for yourself. Hi everyone, I am Isha Kirmani. I write books. I am a student. I am an NLP and neuroscience coach, and I run my mental health startup. I would just end my TED Talk here with this very beautiful Urdu ka verse, and it says something like, हम तुम्हें हासिले मामूरे जहाँ जानते हैं, मगर इस रम्ज़ को सब लोग कहाँ जानते हैं? And here comes my favorite. और जिसमें मकसूद यकीन सिर्फ तख़य्युल ही रहता मकसूद यकीन सिर्फ तखय्युल ही रहे, तखय्युल मीन्स इमेजिनेशन, और जिसमें मकसूद यकीन सिर्फ तखय्युल ही रहे, उस तरह के ईमान को तो हम गुमा जानते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।